This black C6 Z just got dropped off. Just a valve drop from Indiana. With some goodies in the trunk.
Oh yeah, old style Corvette.
Yeah, it's got the cream.
Oh right, dude. Love to see it.
Yeah, that's
cool. Gatorade. Some Nutri-Grain bar.
Stage
Oh my
strips.
gosh.
I just bought these at I just bought these. They're nice.
I'd like to head in for a Nutri-Grain bar right now. Talk about nice.
Hell yeah. Yeah, this is the old Corsa.
That's a breakfast right here. Oh my god, individual box.
Especially with summertime coming up, the Gatorade is a
Clutch.
Yeah,
really
the Gatorades are nice.
yeah, my heart's about to explode with all the energy drinks we got these days.
I can't do it anymore. I drank 2 Red Bulls at Chesapeake Inn the other day, and I was watching my heart rate on my watch. It went from 80 to 115.
No alcohol in them, huh?
No alcohol.
Just drank the Red Bulls, just chilling there.
Yeah.
That's great. Love to see it, man. Love to see it. Good thing. I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna have to drink at this wedding coming up.
You gotta pick yourself.
Matt and I are sober now, if anybody didn't know.
You gotta pick a mocktail.
He's laughing.
Okay, he's been sober.
It's been over 6 months for me since I've had a drink.
It's been over 6 years.
And I have a wedding coming up next weekend, so that'll be a real test, but I already told Amber it's not gonna
I think
happen.
tonight will be a real test too.
Nah.
No, you're not gonna at the
No.
Italian festival?
Nah, I'm not gonna drink at all. No way. Wake up feeling shitty tomorrow coming in here? No thanks.
All right, we got a really nice black C6Z here for a head scan package. Bone stock. Bone stock. What are you thinking?
472.
472. He's got a pretty cool plate. Not gonna do that though. I'm gonna say I'll go 488. $472. Not bad. Alright, that's cool. $472. It looks like Kyle's starting this black C6Z. Getting stage 3 or 4? Stage 3. Heads cam, stock intake, all the goodies. Pretty nice car. Really liking the black spider wheels on here. One of my favorite OEM wheels. Another cool build in the process. One head off. These guys are putting in work today. Alright, little update on this black 06. Kyle's got the cam in already. Getting ready to put the front of the loader back together. And, get this thing ready to go. So I'll be checking back in with him soon. All the torque.
Yep.
A lot of good boxes right there. This car also brought his own set of Corsa. Although I haven't seen this kind. It's maybe a really old kind, or I'm not sure. But it's definitely a Corsa muffler.
You can also put them on backwards too. Luckily, I've never done that.
Really?
The gaskets, yeah. You're not paying attention, yeah. There's a tab that lets you know where the front is. It also says front, but I'm saying you're not paying attention. You're just putting it on.
Yeah.
Tap it, it'll overheat if it does that. So you won't know until it's on the dyno.
Definitely got to pay attention. Now we're talking. Fantastic job. Doing great, man.
You know, I appreciate that, Chris. I really do.
You killed it on this
You
build.
don't really hear it that often.
Baseline 472, 447 torque. Got our full stage 3. So head scan package, 2-inch Cook's long tubes. I guess he had Corsa mufflers. Put a Haltech 108 on it, UPR catch can, and transportation from Indiana. I can't see what the torque says. There you go. 619, 540. That's killer torque for a stage 3. Tune was fucking. Yeah. Tune was fucking dead perfect. You can delete the bass lines. I mean, literally, The tune was, Joe, this thing is 105 pounds of oil pressure. Yeah, I mean, it's basically done. It looks like it's still spun a little bit in the beginning, but 540 torque is killer. Honestly, I mean, I hate to be that guy, but the tune is like so dead on. It's...
Phil wants me to pull that black C6 Z around front real quick. Is that cool?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll be right back. Okay, I made a small change. I don't know how much there was even to pick up. Timing was right where it should be. I added a half a degree. Air fuel was dead perfect. So we'll see. 628, 547. I didn't get any knock. I added a half a degree of timing. We'll see if it picks up anything. Other than that, this thing's done. .626, 543. That's it. I'll take that half a degree back out. I'll let this thing chill for about 10 minutes, but other than that, she is donezo. We'll be right back. Alright, like a 10-minute cool down, see what she's got. .24, 542. That's it for this. I mean, it picked up like 150-ish. I don't know, we'll put it right here. Which is a lot for well, I guess the Stage 4 usually picks up 130, 140. This thing was awesome though. I mean, made solid power for Stage 3. That's it. Later.